We're here with biotechnology expert Ian Shott, former president of ICME, for the opening of the National Biologics Manufacturing Centre in Darlington. Ian, why does the UK need this new centre?
I think the main reason is that we've got an enormous research base in biotechnology. The science is advancing at a great rate, and over the last 2 decades we've really failed to completely capitalise on that in the way that the United States of America has been much more successful with very well established biotechnology clusters in both California and on the East Coast around Boston. And I think one of the problems is that, particularly for new companies, the cost of the technology, the cost of the facilities are a substantial barrier to progress. An open access facility of this, built to be extremely flexible with a huge inventory of high technology equipment that can be utilized for a vast variety of projects, provides a runway for small companies to grow in a de-risked manner. Those companies will want investment. Investors are always leery of risk, and a facility like this substantially reduces the risk profile for companies with stunning technology seeking investment.
Excellent. Okay, as I understand it, the UK is actually very good from a research-based point of view of actually producing some really top-notch candidates for drug development and vaccine development. It's kind of the challenge the UK faces is getting those novel particles actually into production. What will this facility offer UK companies, UK spin-outs from universities that we don't currently have in the UK? Is there something unique about this facility, something that it will offer to companies that we don't currently have in the UK?
Well, firstly, there isn't another open access facility such as this. Secondly, if a small new company with a new technology is going to try and commercialise it, it will almost inevitably involve collaboration with other parties. So apart from the physical structure that exists here, there will be a network, a cluster of companies around this facility that will make it easier for collaborations to be put together and make it easier for a new company to establish itself as part of the ecosystem in biotechnology.
Excellent. Okay, I'm always interested to ask experts of your standing where the future of our readers, the likes of chemical engineers, biochemical engineers, where they can take their careers. This new facility offers a huge amount of opportunity for those that are just starting out in their careers. Would you agree with that, and what sort of challenges would you kind of urge future chemical and bioprocess engineers to actually embrace and use this sort of facility to overcome?
Well, I think there's a bit of an issue with education, and traditionally in chemical engineering we've focused on school kids doing maths, physics and chemistry. And in this new world it's quite useful if chemical engineers have at least a working knowledge of biology and the language of biology. Many university courses are offering options, but they're offering them alongside other options such as financial management or business, and the take-up on biological science or biotechnology options is rather meagre. And I think we need to spend a bit of time inspiring chemical engineers to see the potential of biotechnology. And at the end of the day, chemistry is really the language of biological systems, and so it's very much heartland chemical engineering with a need to model, measure and then manufacture. So the 3 M's are just as important, but the technology, the speed of development of that technology is quite different to traditional chemical engineering.
So this facility offers that hope for the future then?
It offers a demonstration centre for those kinds of capabilities, and I think it needs to work closely with the universities as well. And we need to see a stronger connection probably with the Institution of Chemical Engineers and chemical engineering departments and this national facility.